Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. So it's a little bit different to my normal video, my normal setting, but I've shown you around the inside of the property that I'm in at the moment. I'll leave a link to that if you haven't already seen it, but I thought in today's video I'll actually show you the outside. So I'll show you around the beautiful grounds that are here. This development is set in about 10 acres of land and it is just lovely. So it's a lovely day, so I thought why not show you around. In the front main bit you've got like you've got a fountain, which is really lovely, and I must admit they look after the grounds of these apartments so well. They are amazing. So this is a little fountain at the front, and these are the apartments, houses. It's a mixture of the two, to be honest, but they are really nice. And up in this direction we have that property in front that you can see. Used to be kind of like the management building, but they've just sold it, so they don't actually have any kind of management on site anymore, so they've actually sold that. But if you look beyond there, all the trees and everything, then there's a whole forest area behind there, which I am still yet to explore. Lovely house there, and this is the pathway that takes you through the bottom part of the property, and it's actually set in about 10 or 11 acres of land, which is quite a bit. So you can see all the woodland over here. You'll sometimes see the deers here. It's so lovely. They do freak me out a little bit because I do wonder if they're dangerous or not, but I keep being told that they're actually very safe. They're more scared of us than we should be of them. So as you can see, the path carries on round. And like I said, it's just so well managed. The way they look after the grass, the trees, the flowers is so lovely. And here the pathway splits, so you can actually go left and go up the stairs there. But we are actually going to continue and we're going to carry on through here. They've got lots of seating areas, so there's lots of benches everywhere, so you can sit in the sun, you can sit in the shade. There's another bench just there. And up there is a tennis court, but we'll go and check that out in a second. You've got another bench there. We have a tennis court. Aha! So maybe I could be the next Serena Williams, who knows? But look, we've got our own tennis court. How cool is that? Now, I'm not going to lie and say it's the best. Obviously, you can see maybe by the grounds that needs a little bit of a clean up. There's a lot on the floor, but it's still brilliant. You can still have a little play. I think we need to wind this net up a little bit though. But how cool is that? Tennis court. And as we carry on up here, then you can see fully the back of the properties. And I have to say, I think they are pretty stunning. How nice are they? It really is a gorgeous place to live. So you've got a pathway that leads you up that way, but we are going to go this way. And if I swing round, look at the plants and everything, the flowers. Let's go and have a look. Oh, if only you could see the colours of these in real life. They are so incredible. I wish I knew what these plants were, but I have no idea. But they are so lovely. Look at that. It's take them hours to look after these things. They're in white as well. Wow. And this gorgeous kind of pinky peachy colour. And down here we've also got some, I feel like I want to say the bluebells, but I don't know anything about flowers, so I'm sure you will let me know. But they're just so amazing. Look at that. This is the back. Again, more benches all the way around for everyone to sit on, and I absolutely love the colour of these. I can see these, well obviously I can see everything from my window, but these stand out so much. Look at these. They are just so beautiful. I have to try and find out what they all are, but they're just so lovely. Really lovely property. It's like that one up there. Imagine having that whole balcony up there. How nice. And then, if we follow this pathway round, it leads to this little summer house here. So let's go and have a look. So we've got our own private little summer house. So they've got like lounges, tables, all fully equipped. So you have a diary here, so you can book when you want to hire it out. Oh, they've even got some tennis rackets down there. Look a little bit worse for wear, but that's okay. So I'm actually thinking about having a summer garden party, because you've got barbecue areas here. So we can do a little barbecue out here. And it's just such a glorious place. So if I organise a party, who's coming? Let me know. So if we go back up in this direction, then we have car parking, and it takes you around to more properties and then around to the front. These flowers look really nice here. They're so pretty. So that is it for this video. I am going to sit here and relax and take in the rest of this beautiful sunshine. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing around the grounds here. I do think that they are so beautiful, and I do miss London, but I really don't miss the noise of London because it is so lovely and quiet here. So yeah, it's a really lovely place to be. Anyway, I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.